Make sure you nail your plywood around the perimeter. If you have to snap a chalk line, do it. Make sure you don't miss the fascia, because otherwise you're gonna have shiners. You're gonna have to remove them later on. What's up, people? This is Eric. Today I'm going to take a video about how to install rakes on a shingle roof. Before, you have to make sure that you're gonna cut the overhang on the eaves. I'm sorry, on the gables. Like this time we changed the fascia board, and we trim it, and we didn't use no edge metal, because anyway your ridge is gonna cover the edge. I only use the edge metal on the top, on the eaves, and then I just fold it to the side. And now I'm gonna install the rakes. The rakes, you use the same shingle ridge as a rake, and you just nail it on the fascia and you nail it on top. Before you do that, I strongly suggest you to put a self underlayment, self stick underlayment underneath the paper, so that way you don't have any water leaks. If you have any questions, just give me a call or text me. Text me or text me. Just send me a questions over my channel, and if I have any chance, I will reply to you. If I don't, then I'll find a time for you to reply to any one of your questions. But it looks pretty cool. I'm using the Deco Ridge. I'm not using the Ridge Glass, because the Ridge Glass usually gets damaged like in 5 years. Deco Ridge usually lasts about 10 to 15 years, so it looks more aesthetically better. I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully you like it. And this is Eric Garcia. Sayonara. Remember, I'm not using the Ridge Glass. I'm using the Deco Ridge. Okay, this is called Deco Ridge or Rapid Ridge, or it's a thicker, it's a modified piece of ridge, and it's better. So you're gonna fold it like in a 45 angle like this, and then you're gonna nail like this. So, put a nail on the top like this, and the other one just nail on the bottom like this. Okay. This one's gonna fold eventually, so it looks like that. Okay. From the top, it looks something like this. And then what I do, I overlap the ridge on top of the rakes like this, and I finish them like this. So this is how it looks from the top. And now I'm gonna go to the bottom and then take another video. And from the front, it looks like this. I put a couple of nails in the center, and I cut them 45 angle. So there's no need for you to install a flashing, because the flashing is not gonna let you install the rakes flush to the fascia. So it's better to leave them like that, in my opinion. And this one, it's a 1/4 of an inch hanging out the fascia board. Okay, so this is called rakes. The way it looks from the top. In this video, I'm going to show you how I did my rakes, my shingle rakes. I installed Richmond, and also the lady, she wanted me to install caps on they call rakes, and this is the way it's done. you put them on the side. You skip the metal, and then you just put the just cut the shingle flush to the fascia, cut the plywood flush to the fascia, and you install the rakes. This is the bottom part. This is a flat roof. This is the way it looks. Okay. Hopefully you like it. Un saludo para una persona que nació en Tecate, Baja California. Un saludo de Garcia, con mucho aprecio. Alright, cuídese y que esté bien. Again, like I was saying, this is the way it looks. We painted the flashings to match the existing color of the roof, and we installed the rakes. There's another piece of roof on the bottom. This is a 2-story house. But here we came out with a short course, but it's in the first course because we have to even it up with this one. So that's the way we did it. Color shown is charcoal, high definition, cool charcoal. So if you like this color, try it. This is it. Again, color shown is charcoal. Alright, it looks like that. I cut the corbels because they were damaged on the tip, and we patch it with bundle. Later on, the painter is gonna come sand them and paint them again. The house is gonna get painted, so for now it's gonna stay like that. But anyway, this is how it looks. This is called rake shingles. Alright guys, so hopefully you like it. Thank you very much, and hopefully you guys like my videos. Subscribe to it. And again, one greeting for all the viewers around the world. Y un saludo especial para esa persona de Mexicali. No, es de Tecate, Baja California. Hasta luego.